Well, good morning, folks. Well, I got everything set up this morning. I got my doves set up, my decoys, and I got the triple crown ready. As you can see, I got my triple crown. You can go to my Facebook page. If you go to facebook.com, in my fan page is North Texas Hunt, and you'll find us there. Go to my YouTube channel. If you go to Google and type my name, you'll you'll find my YouTube page, or you can go to youtube.com and it's AAJR61. That's my YouTube channel. Encourage you to go there and subscribe, and my goal is to reach that 1,000 subscribers. Got a long ways to go. Also, I'd like to encourage you to go to Instagram. You can find me there, North Texas Hunting. You'll find me also on Instagram. You can also find me at Twitter in my it's Adame. I believe that's what I have for my Twitter account. You can find me there. You can also follow me on Twitter. If you're watching this, it already happened. All right. I'm actually hunting at the 4P Ranch here in Moran, Texas. I am 40 minutes from Abilene, or east from Abilene, and about 30 minutes north from Cisco, Texas. Went on my third year hunting in this area. I got lots of good hunting memories. I've shot lots of hogs. Matter of fact, last year was the first time I actually used all my deer tags for the first time. That was fantastic. My wife and I, we love venison meat, especially the back straps, the tenderloin. Some people don't like it. I think the problem is some people just don't know how to cook this fantastic meat. I'm looking forward for deer season. I know I'm out of venison right now, but archery season is around the corner, and I can't wait. Well, today is the opening season in the central and north zone. It is divided into 3 zones: south zone, central zone, and the north zone. Unfortunately, hunters in the south zone, they have to wait to September 14. Hunting these little fast birds will continue until November 4th. But I won't be out here on November 4th, because November 3rd is general season. That's venison time. Let's put them down with this triple crown. You ready for this? Coming down with the triple crown. All right, let's get this party started. Looking for doves in all the wrong places. This is actually the right place. The 4P Ranch here in Moran, Texas. If you're new to this page, like the page, share the page, and tell your friends and family about this page. I see the doves moving. Well, folks, I hear the shotguns. I think it's on. Let's go. Got a beautiful sunrise. Just love the Texas sunrise and the Texas sunset. They are awesome. Got my first one. First shot, put them down with a Triple Crown. First one, nice. Well, I hope the second shot is just as good as the first one. My goal is to get 15 birds this round with 15 shells. I know that's going to be almost impossible, but I'm going to have some fun today. Hog killer?
Huh?
You hog killer?
Yeah, I didn't find the third one. I
you
knew
did?
I'd shot him back behind the rib cage, and when he hauled ass out of the woods toward Brenda's feeder. I never found him. Found it. I don't know. It was dark when I shot it.
Yeah, I heard it. I was setting up here and I heard the first one, then I heard a second one, then the third one. I go,
Well, they kept coming back. No birds?
I saw two. Well, I saw four going this way, and then two coming towards me.
Those late, I just knocked out of the tree, flew out toward that center tree.
First shot?
Huh?
My first shot, first bird.
All right, that's a good sign.
Yeah. I also brought my, this is my Mossberg 556. Sweet. This is what I use for coyotes, bobcats, predator. Just in case a hog or a coyote comes out in this field up here, I'm gonna take it down. One cool thing I like about this Triple Crown, that I can have different chokes. So this is the one on the right is in this order is 1, 2, and then to the top. So I'm able to, like my first shot is a lot wider and then then this one here closes, and then in this top one I have a full choke. So if I miss on the first and second and they get away a little too far, I can reach out there and touch them with that. That's the last barrel. Man, I'm hearing shotgun shots all over this direction. There's got like a sunflower. They planted some sunflower this direction, and man, they're killing it over in that area. I'm here at the north end at the 4P Ranch. Actually, there's a pond where I have my decoys. Hopefully they're after they go out and eat, maybe they can come back and land here by the water and get a drink of water, and I'll be waiting for them. But so far I've seen 4, but I wasn't ready for flying this direction. And then I think it was 7:20 when there was 2 birds flying this direction over my head, and shot that first one. Yeah, just one right there, but too far. Looks like he's flying back around. Yeah, I saw a few flying in. I guess they landed there at the pond. That's a good sign. about you, but I am ready for some cooler weather, man. It is warming up, and it's warming up fast today. Last year, I did pretty good with the doves. I did get my bag limit. Just not going to tell you how many boxes of shell it took to get that task done. I had a blast last year. So this year I decided to record the opening, and this way I can upload this, and you're probably watching this either on YouTube or Facebook. So just want to record this hunt and just have a good time. This evening we got some friends coming. We'll be hunting. I don't know if we're going to be here or might be in a different area. All depends on how successful we get this morning. I guess this is why it's called hunting, because you never know. Some days, I remember a couple of weeks ago, I'm driving up here to the lease. I'm driving on this country road, and out there where I hunt, man, doves all over the place. It's almost like they know that today is opening season. Wow. These birds learn real quick. Well, there was two coming. They were by my decoys, and guess what? I missed. Them decoys, they work real good. I believe one of them, I think, got a few BBs. Wasn't enough to bring it down. Bird number 2. All right, looking good.